Hi, this is Eric with Tom's Tumbler. I am the Director of Sales here, and welcome to Tumbler Tip Tuesday. I'm going to be going over our different mesh nets and their various sizes and recommended usage. So with me here, I've got the TTT 3000 with the 1/2 inch mesh net. Then we've got the TTT 2600 with the 1/4 inch mesh net. And then finally here we've got the TTT 2100 with the 151 micron keef net. All these three nets come standard with all of our Tumbler series. And so we design them with a specific use for each one of those different mesh nets. So to start off with, what we recommend is the 1/2 inch net. And the reason for that is that with those larger openings, more of the trim is going to be able to fall through the funnel flow and into this bin. And one of the misconceptions is that it's not the mesh net that is causing the trimming action, it's the buds that are rolling over each other that are causing that trimming action. And the mesh net is just a way to be able to contain them. So again, most of the buds on the inside are going to be rolling over each other. The buds on the outside will be rolling up against this mesh net, and so this mesh net does help trim those buds that are on the outside versus the ones that are on the inside. And you can see just how gentle this mesh net is. There's a lot of give. It's food grade material, and it's not going to harm the structure or integrity of the flower, meaning that there is a minimal loss of trichomes and crystals, and you end up with a hand trimmed appearance. So after you separate the trim and the trim goes into the bins, you can take it over to the 1/4 inch net, and you can put it into a 1/4 inch net to further refine that trim. So a lot of the popcorn sized buds that may have fallen through with the trim out of that 1/2 inch net, with this 1/4 inch net you'll be able to separate it. And again, the trim will fall down into this bin. And then the final step of what we can recommend is that you can put your biomass into this keef net, the 151 micron. And there's two different ways that you can use this keef net. So one way is with the CO2 adapter. The way that we actually recommend it is with the dry ice pellets. And the reason for that is that with the dry ice pellets, they're going to add a little bit more weight to help with that keeping action. So anyways, again, thank you for joining me on the Tumbler Tip Tuesday.